Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will transform a simple men's t-shirt into an off-shoulder top. So the things that you'll need is a t-shirt which you'll transform. So here I am using my boyfriend's t-shirt and I suppose this is from Jockey. Then you will need a scissor with which you will have to cut the fabric. Then you'll need a marker. Since I did not have one, I am using a green eyeliner pen. Then you will need a safety pin. You'll know later why you need it. After that, you need a needle and a thread for sewing the elastic. Lastly, you will need elastic. Now the first thing you'll do is measure how long you want your length of the top to be. This is what I'm doing here, folding the t-shirt first and then measuring how long I want my t-shirt to be. Then taking a scale and marking it along a straight line, which will be my baseline while cutting the fabric. Then you have to cut your fabric accordingly. Next, repeat the same thing to your sleeves as well. Then stretch the end portion of both the sleeves and the body part of the top, which will help it to loosen up and it will fold itself, giving the edges a very soft effect rather than a harsh cut. Now measure around the chest area how much of elastic you'll need, like how much tight or loose you want your elastic to be, and then cut the amount of elastic. My elastic was too broad, so I had to cut it in half. Now pinch the hem portion horizontally and cut a hole through which you will insert the elastic. Then attach the safety pin with the elastic and insert it through the hole. Afterwards, cut off the excess elastic and sew the elastic together. Repeat the same steps to your sleeves as well. Now it's time to sew the body portion along with the sleeves. Lay down your body fabric portion and then place the sleeves where you want it to be. Lastly, sew the fabric along with the sleeves and you are done. I know guys, it is so easy. Try this at home and you'll have a cute top for yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.